to dump 1 box of pasta into the casserole dish and dump it on in there. Into that, we're going to add 1 24-ounce jar of your marinara sauce. And you just dump it in. We fill this jar up with water and dump that in too. I'm just gonna shake it real good to make sure I get all that good sauce in there. And then we dump that in, and then we give that a little stir. We just wanna make sure all that pasta is good and coated. Easy peasy. Now we're gonna add 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken breast cut up. I'm just gonna sprinkle it around on the top. I don't know if sprinkling is the right word for chicken. I don't know that you sprinkle chicken. I don't know what else to call it. Randomly place. Now for the seasoning. We're gonna use a little of this flaky sea salt, about a teaspoon. And sprinkle it around on top. And some garlic powder, it's about 1.5 teaspoons. Sprinkle that around. And then some Italian seasoning, about 1 teaspoon. Then you wanna mix this up real good to make sure everything's covered. Now we're gonna cover this real good with tin foil and put it in a 425-degree oven for 30 minutes. And then we'll come back and add some more toppings. It's out of the oven. Let's see how it looks. Whoo, steaming. That looks perfect. We're gonna stir this up and mix it around real good. That smells so good. So now we wanna add 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. And we're just gonna sprinkle it around on top. That cheese makes it good. Then we wanna take a cup of these panko breadcrumbs and then spread those on the top. You just wanna spread these evenly all along the top. And then we're gonna take a 1/2 stick of unsalted butter melted, and we're just gonna drizzle that a little bit on the top, just to get those breadcrumbs just a little bit of crisp. Now for the final touch, we're gonna shred up some of this Parmesan cheese and layer that on the top. And then we'll put it back in the oven for 15 minutes at 425. It's out of the oven. We're gonna add a little bit of this chopped fresh parsley to the top. This will make it extra good. This looks so good. Look at that. So I just steamed some broccoli. I'm gonna put on the side. I'm just gonna add a pinch of this flaky sea salt to it. Now the broccoli's optional, so you can add that if you want. Let me get up here where I can show you. Look at that. Look at that. I have to blow it good. I sure don't want to burn my mouth. It's hot, but it is good. Y'all need to give this a try. Enjoy.